Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to send from your Wise to PayPal. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to transfer your money from your Wise to PayPal, you need to first of all link your Wise bank account to your PayPal account. Then you can simply send money from your Wise to your linked bank account and subsequently transfer it to your PayPal balance as well. So once your Wise bank account and PayPal is linked, you can simply log in into your Wise account, select the recipient as your linked bank account and initiate the transfer. Now, once you have initiated the transfer on your Wise, all you gotta do is simply add money to your PayPal from your bank. For this, you need to simply go to your PayPal balance and click on the option called transfer money and select add money from your bank or debt card. Once you have done this, choose your linked bank account and the amount you want to transfer. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.